Anglepoint was born out of an ideal of creating a consulting firm that could drive uncommon value to its clients. There's a tongue-in-cheek adage in the industry that if you're not part of the solution, there's good money to be made in prolonging the problem. We fundamentally felt that we could turn that on its head and even work ourselves out of a job in some cases where we wanted to start with the end goal in mind. What defined success for our client, for the individual people that were bringing us on board? We've set out to assemble the world's foremost experts in the areas of software licensing, among others. So large enterprise vendors like Microsoft and Oracle and IBM and SAP and Micro Focus and Quest and others. And we feel like we've been able to bring together some of the best and brightest minds from a lot of different fields. Certainly software licensing is one of those, and experienced professionals in that area. We find that we're able to drive really significant relationships of trust with our clients because they know that we want their organization to be successful, we want them as individuals to be successful. So we really try and peel back the layers to how does their organization define success for them individually, and then how can we create a service that will help them achieve that success together.